College is great, but not everybody, that's their thing. Trades are such a viable place for employment.
I've seen a significant amount of capital invested into our robotic packaging equipment. This has given maintenance technicians an opportunity to work on cutting-edge equipment and to make sure that everything is properly programmed.
Our equipment's getting more sophisticated, which also takes more maintenance. And we work with everybody here, and we work with the manufacturers that bring the equipment in. We learn on our own, we look things up. Anybody that comes to AFP will have a big opportunity in maintenance to start at a lower level and learn electrical, mechanical, boilers, ammonia systems, cooling, heating. We all work on everything and we all learn from each other.
I learned most of it on the job. I did go to school for certificates. Talking to other fabricators, I have learned a lot of different small skills that help me with bigger things that I do here.
We're modernizing the lines and the new lines that we're installing to make more user-friendly, more consistent, but that also makes the maintenance role more important.
The newer machines we get in here, they all have a touch screen. They all work off servos and positioning, so it's going to be the most important for somebody to have programming experience and be open to that field and needing to be a mechanic in the future.
Probably the main skills that someone would need to succeed here would be attention to detail, thorough problem solving, and thinking the possibilities through, not jumping to a conclusion, and flexibility. Every office needs an IT department. Every manufacturing facility needs a maintenance department.
It's more important now than ever that we have people that are fluent in both fields, mechanical, electrical. And you need to understand the way things move and interconnect to each other to actually be able to sit down and write a program to make that machinery work together with other machinery, other pieces. There's a lot of people who are afraid to come into this job because you have a lot of wants and needs thrown your way. But there actually is a lot of reward at the end of the day when you can actually fix something and keep something running